Hi, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday. We are going to review our parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines. Your first task is going to watch the video, which is on slide 1. This is going to give you all the examples and everything we did before spring break. Once you finish watching the video, you're going to come to your second slide. This is where you're going to practice the definition of the types of line. We have parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting. You're going to type in your own words the definition of each of the following. You can use your notes and you can use the previous video to help you. We're then going to practice drawing a picture of each of these. What you will do is go up here to the line bar, you will click on it, and then you will put it down on your paper, and you will have a line. You'll have to go back up, click on it, and then put your line the best that you can to make sure that they're parallel. Parallel means that they are the same distance apart. Your next task is going to be able to practice, we skipped one, looking at lines that are already created for you and for you to click and drag them. This one is parallel lines. We're going to go through each of them. If I look at this, if these lines continue, they're eventually going to intersect. That is not parallel. If I move over to this box, I can see if these two lines go on forever and ever, they will never connect. So you're going to click it and drag it right onto the clipboard. Then you will move on to perpendicular. You will do the same thing. You'll look through each of these. Well, we said this was intersecting, and perpendicular does intersect, but it has to form a 90-degree angle. So we cannot put that on our perpendicular clipboard. If I move down to this one, I could see if those lines go on and on, they will form a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to click and drag it right on to my clipboard. If you scroll down, we're going to do the same thing with the intersecting lines. Since we went through some of these, I know this first one is an example of intersecting. If it continues on, they will meet at a point. You can stop there for today's lesson. The next part of it we will continue tomorrow.